One of the questions we're asking all our partners is, have you given up on your cold leads? Leads that have been in your database for 1, 2, maybe even 4 years. If you've given up on that lead, if you've given up on reaching out and nurturing that lead, you're surrendering that lead, that opportunity to your competition. So if your competition gets that listing, they're also getting the buyer leads from it. You know, if they're getting a buyer, they're getting the referrals. So they're getting all these downstream business, all because you gave up on nurturing that opportunity. We're driving that home with our partners, and just last week we converted a 4-year-old opportunity that had never once responded in our old CRM. We put them into Chime, drove them to the website, created a property alert. She opened 3 that week. We made 1 phone call, and now we're selling $2 million and buying 1.8. That's $95,000. $95,000 that was created just because we put them into Chime.